Okay, well, I almost have one full block finished. I only have to put a dot, 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 and dot right there. So 1, 2 dots, 3, and 2 irises. Wait, is that what they're called? I don't remember what they're called. I'm not sure if there's any back stitching in there. I don't believe there is, but I'm almost done with that one. And then I have all the rest of them to go. So, but I'm pretty proud of myself for that. All right, so I'm kind of getting bored with that one. So this is my room. Just in case of emergencies, I have this embroidery kit. It was $1.23 at Hobby Lobby on clearance. Or I have this Dimensions kit. That was $4.99. Is that working? Down from $25.99. Also at Hobby Lobby. And I think I have a little tiny one. It's a box of reading glasses. What is this? I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, that used to be on my table. Okay. Whew. I thought maybe it was Ada, but it's not. All right, now we're in my office / craft room number 1. All right, so these are not cross stitch. Got it. It's all diamond painting. Oh, that shirt right there is Bloody Mary. Yeah. Oh, here's one. Oh, I think this is a Joann's clearance for $5. That's adorable. That's interesting. That's a possibility to start today. Diamond painting. I know I have tons of stuff. Oh, there's me and my sister and Dennis Hopper backstage at a U2 concert. I'm not sure. That might be 1993, 94. I was 21. I know I have a bunch of cross stitching that I have started collecting. I think this is embroidery. No, oh, that's cute. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? That was full price at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Not sure. He's a possibility. Whoop. Whoop-de-doo. Yeah. Okay, see what I mean about being a hobbyaholic? I have things everywhere. Tarot cards, everything. Diamond paintings I'm working on. Oh, this is promising. Okay, so I have a blank Ada. A book of patterns. Oh, diamond paintings. Oh, there's younger me. I was 16 or 17 in this picture with Bono. A bunch of kids I grew up with. Good old days. Wow. Oh my gosh, the iPod Touch. Look at you. I should plug that in for fun someday. Alright, well, we have 2 kits in here that look promising. And, oh my gosh, is you enjoying the sunlight? Yeah. It's one of my yarn rooms. There's some cross stitch on crochet. And there's some, I don't know what to call that. I made it up myself. It's a UFO abducting headstones in a graveyard. Yeah, I got that at a thrift store for like $1. Anyway. Okay, I think this is my last possible stash. Let's push this over. Go. This should open all the way. Alright. What's wrong with me? I forgot I had all I think this is the Halloween cat. Oh, it could maybe. I'm trying to think. Hi. Hello. You weren't even born. You weren't even born when I got these. Well, maybe you were. You're about 2 years old. I only got these a few months ago. Are you sleeping already? You going to sleep on my arm? Beep, beep. Thank you. No. Alright. Not today. Oh, I did get that. Oh, too big. Oh, these look small and cute. In one bag. I'm looking for the small little kits. That's embroidery. I don't want to do that. Embroidery. These are from the thrift store. So $3. I don't even know if they come with yarn or threads. I did this. It's hanging on my wall, so that's just the chart. That's a possibility. It's a lot of back stitching though. Look how cute that is. Alright, so that's a possibility. You know, a Halloween cat, you're a possibility as well. Oh, Christmas ornament. Maybe. Oh, this is a possibility too. I think the stitches are going to be teeny tiny on that one though. I don't know how I feel about that. And I think that is it for my stash. I do have a latch hook rug and then a blank latch hook rug where I can make my own pattern. I could probably take one of these patterns and, because God knows I have all the, maybe, you know what, elimination. So I have all the yarn that I could possibly ever dream of for starting a latch hook rug from scratch. Yeah. So that's why I got the oh, are you sleeping? You too tired tearing that apart? You too tired? Yeah. You're handsome though. You sure do look handsome. You look like a movie star. What's his eyeliner? He looks like he has eyeliner. Look at that. He's beautiful. He's got wings. How do you do your wings? They're very good. They're very nice. His eyes are beautiful. Oh, I love you so much. Mwah. Hey, baby. I love you so much. You're my favorite one. Don't mess with him. Okay. So I'm working on Halloween. Fall is coming up. I do love hummingbirds. But this, oh, look at this. What is that, like 800 count? It is not telling me what count it is. It's very teeny tiny as opposed to these. That versus that. You can't even see them. So I don't know. Do I have anything hidden in here? No. Oh, I do. I have an Ada in here. Yeah. Oh, ow, 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 ow. there are TOYS for them, but they cannot have the TOYS because they will fight to the death. Let him go. So bad. He knows that Ruger doesn't like to walk on the tile. So he likes to stop in the middle of the carpet. So Ruger has to walk around him on the tile. He's a bad boy. You're so cheeky in today. Cheeky in today. And then of course, there's one more spot we can check. Let's check this spot. I could finish this that I started. You know what? I think I'm gonna work on that. After all that, gosh, I always try to start projects that need some of the yarn that's in here. Okay, I think I'll have a seat and start. Let's see where I left off on this. A little bit. I just got out of the shower, so I don't want to show my icky no makeup face. Oh, that's a pretty good start. Look at that. Proud of me. Huh. So this is what it's supposed to look like eventually. Oh my gosh, I really want to do this. Not that. Not that. I thought I brought my Halloween cat out here. Oh, and I was using nope, I wasn't using 3 threads. I'm using 3 threads now. I sure am. Look at that. 2 on a 14 count. How dare me. It completely says use 3. Ugh. What a dum-dum. But I'm using 3 now. I have to now put this away. I'm too tired. I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. I have restless leg syndrome, and there's no amount of potassium or anything that I can take that will. I even stretched before bed. I started exercising on the treadmill. Nothing's working. My legs just jump all night long and keep me awake. So I'm very tired, and it's only 6:30 at night. So this little kit right here did not come with a floss separator or anything. A floss, what do you call it? Nothing. It didn't. So I made my own floss card, and I just realized that I made a mistake. I should have, which I can still do, I should have put some packing tape on this to make it more durable. So I think I will remove the floss and tape it and then repunch those holes. But yeah, I see now I have a little collection of candy boxes. I've given up candy for a little while I get back in shape, but actually this one was from Mark because I don't eat jelly. I don't eat gummies. I can't believe that butterfly only has 5 colors. That's crazy. I do have 1 or 2, I think one cross stitch, stamped cross stitch, and it's only 3 colors. That just blows my mind. And I also have a cross stitch that only came with like 4 pieces of floss. So they come in all shapes and quantities. Yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in here about my card. I punched myself. I'm so tired. I really don't want to go to bed at 6:30 in the night. I might though. Oh wait, I think it's 7. It's 7:08 p.m. I'm watching Lovecraft Forever. She's doing a DIY shoes product review for stamped cross stitch. I watch her and Stitcherella a lot for these unboxings. All right. Oh wait, I gotta turn you off. Oh my gosh, I'm too tired for this. All right, good night.